In this lesson, we will learn how we can use ChatGPT for marketing. Let's say you want to create an advertisement or you want to conduct a survey and want survey questions. You can easily use ChatGPT for it. Also, you can analyze your competitors' strategies, create a timeline for a product launch. With that, you can also prepare some points for a meeting. Let's say you want to generate some key insights or bullet points. You can easily do that. Let's see how. Here's your ChatGPT. Let me click on new chat. Now I'll start with the prompts. Let's say I want to create an advertisement for my Python online course. Okay, here you can see it has provided us with the entire advertisement. Why choose a course, what you'll learn, who is this course for. Okay, you can add the button here for enroll now, the course logo as well as the website URL. Now let's say we want to conduct a survey and want survey questions. We want to conduct a survey to understand customer preferences. Can you suggest some survey questions? Okay, now let us analyze our competitors' social media strategies. We need to analyze our competitors' social media strategies. Can you provide some key points? So here it is, the platform presence, audience engagement, strategies for content, visual branding, hashtags. So here it is. Now I want to create a timeline for a product launch in the FMCG sector, let's say. So the following is our prompt: create a timeline for a product launch in the FMCG sector. Okay. Okay, so here is the timeline. Market research, then comes your marketing distribution, pre-launch, activities, launch, event preparation, product launch, and all the information for a product launch. That is the timeline. Now let's say you want to prepare for a meeting with a client to discuss the course launch. For that, you can generate some bullet points. So here it is, some bullet points to prepare for the meeting. Overview of the course content, highlight the target audience and other strategies and analysis. So in this way, guys, we can use ChatGPT for marketing to create an advertisement, to get survey questions, analyze our competitors' strategies, create a timeline for a product launch. Okay, we can also rename it for marketing, ChatGPT for marketing. Thank you for watching the video.